Hi everyone, I'm Anveenie and welcome to the channel if you're new here, or welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing how to build your own castle in Disney Dreamlight Valley using the wall building kits from the premium shop. I'm using the recently added Arendelle Castle Winter Wall Kit and the Night Castle Wall Bundle that was added a while ago. The Arendelle Wall Kit comes with only 4 pieces, and they're quite bulky and snap only at 90-degree angle. The good news is that these walls are compatible with other wall sets, like the Night Castle that I'm using in this build. The Night Castle is one of the best bundles that you can get from the premium shop, in my opinion. It comes with 21 wall pieces of various sizes that can be rotated and snapped together, and it only costs 2,000 moonstones, which is a way better deal than a lot of the new additions to the premium shop lately. So if you don't want to buy any castle skins from the shop, you can always build your own. And if you're not turned off by the wall pieces not quite matching in colors, you could combine different wall sets together, like I decided to do for this McDuck inspired castle. I am making this build in the Silver Summit Biome in Wishblossom Ranch DLC. This is one of the last snowy biomes I have left to decorate here, and I wanted to build a Scottish inspired castle for a while. We don't really have a lot of items related to Scrooge McDuck or DuckTales specifically, so I'm using a lot of rustic style furniture, some items from Tangled, Frozen, and Brave collections to fill the interior of the castle. Since this is an outdoor build and we can't create ceilings, I'm using some tricks to make believe like this is the interior of the castle. For this purpose, I'm using the stained glass greenhouse frame and ranch beams to visually separate areas. I'm also adding lampposts in wall corners to add some light effects. Since we can't put wall decor on these wall pieces, sometimes they could look a bit plain and boring, but with adding additional light sources, it helps to create interesting light and shadow effects. These lampposts only take 1 square, so I am tacking some of them behind ranch beams to add some more light effects, because I want the interior to look warm and cozy, with contrast to the snowy background. I'm also placing these Mulan collection lamps in between the floating candles to add more spotlights above the table. These lamps are one of the few that can be placed outside currently, if placed above the table. For the castle floor, I picked the stone slab path, which is from Eternity Isle Crafting. And to break up the monotone tile look, I'm using some rugs. Unfortunately, the red carpet cannot go under the arch, otherwise I would continue it all the way to the back room. For the front part of the castle, I used the 1 square mixed tiles to have some snow shown through. To finish up, I also added some trees with branches overlapping the walls and stone paths leading to the castle entrances. The front part of the Silver Summit I left for the well, the stone circle, and the wintry pond that I completely forgot existed until now. And this is how the castle turned out at the end. I have added the Clan McDuck banners everywhere, just so it would be completely obvious whose castle it is. According to DuckTales lore, Castle McDuck is an ancestral home of Scrooge. It was haunted by the hound of the Whiskervilles, and McDuck clan was driven away and the castle was abandoned and fell into ruin. Well, now Scrooge has his brand new castle here in Wishblossom Ranch, and I think it turned out pretty good. The interior includes the Great Hall with dining table and the functional crafting area. In the back room, there are a couple rooms under gazebo, including a bedroom, a cozy seating area by the fireplace, and even Scrooge's treasure collection with chests that are, I'm pretty sure, filled with star coins that he got from us buying his shop all the time. To wrap up the video, I have a walkthrough for you to show everything up close from the character perspective. I hope you enjoyed this design. I had an idea to build something like this since we started getting wall building kits in Premium Shop. It was really fun playing around with these items and figuring out the layout for the castle build. There are a lot of possible uses for these wall building kits, and I hope to see more bundles like this in the game. These kits are really awesome since instead of buying a castle as a house skin, you can actually make your own and decorate around it as you like. Thank you so much for watching. Consider leaving a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone!